very good morning to everyone. Miss Rita here. Children, today in Geometry of class 9, we are going to see chapter number 6, Circle, practice set number 6.1. Children, let's recall. The figure is given to the left side of your screen. In this figure, P is the center of the circle. Segment PA, segment PC, segment PD are radius of the circle. And segment CD is the diameter of the circle. Segment BC is the chord of the circle. This you know already. You have learned in your lower class. Now children, what is circle? The set of points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point in the plane is called a circle. Children, there are some terms related with the circle. Let's see. The fixed point is called the center of the circle. These terms we can ask in MCQ also. The segment joining the center of the circle and a point on the circle is called radius of the circle. Children, the distance of a point on the circle from the center of the circle is called radius of the circle. The segment joining any 2 points of the circle is called a chord of the circle. And children, a chord passing through the center of a circle is called diameter of the circle. The last point is given. A diameter is a largest chord of the circle. So the diameter in a circle, which is called the largest chord of the circle. You have to remember all these 6 points. Children, now we will see the theorem on circle. The perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle on its chord bisect the chord. Here the figure is given to the right side of your screen. Given in a circle with the center O and segment OP is perpendicular to the chord AB. Here we have to prove segment AP is congruent to segment BP. Construction we will do, draw a radius of OA and OB. Proof are in a right angle triangle OPA and triangle OPB. Hypotenuse OA is congruent to hypotenuse OB. Radius of the same circle. Side OP is congruent to side OP. They are common side. Therefore, we can say triangle OPA is congruent to triangle OPB by hypotenuse side test of congruence. So, segment AP is congruent to segment BP by corresponding side of congruent triangle. Now children, we will see the second theorem. The segment joining the center of a circle and the midpoint of its chord perpendicular to the chord. Given information is segment AB is a chord of a circle with center O and P is the midpoint of chord AB of the circle. That means segment AP is congruent to segment PB. Now children, here we have to prove that segment OP is perpendicular to the segment AB. Proof. Draw segment OA and segment OB. While taking the two triangle OAOP and triangle BOP. Here we have segment OA is congruent to segment OB, radius of the circle. Segment OP is segment OP are common side and segment AP is congruent to segment PB, given that P is the midpoint of AB. So here both the triangle AOP and triangle BOP are congruent by SSS test of congruence. Now here we can say angle OPA is congruent to angle OPB by corresponding angle of congruent triangle. Give the equation number 1. Now children, angle OPA plus angle OPB equal to 180 degree angles in a linear pair. But we have already that angle OPA is congruent to angle OPB, the equation number 1. So we'll replace the angle OPA with the angle OPB. So here we get angle OPB plus angle OPB equal to 180 degree from first. So here 2 times O angle OPB equal to 180 degree. So 2 will become divide to the right side. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18, 2 0 ja 0. So here we get angle OPB equal to 90 degree. Segment OP is perpendicular chord AB. Now children, we will start practice set number 6.1. Now question number 1 is given. Distance of chord AB from the center of a circle is 8 cm. Length of the chord AB is given 12 cm. Find the diameter of the circle. So here I have drawn the one figure to the right side of the screen. O is the center of the circle. AB is a chord. The AB value is given 12 cm. So M is the midpoint of AB. So OM, the distance between the center and the chord, OM is given 8 cm. Here we have to find the diameter. Given distance of the chord is given 8 cm. Length of the chord is given 12 cm. So here we have to find diameter of a circle. Solution. Here we will draw radius OA. Take point M on segment AB such that A and B are collinear. So OM is perpendicular to the chord AB. AM is 12 cm. AB is 12 cm. Perpendicular bisector drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisect the chord is our theorem. So AM equal to BM. AM is the half of AB. So AB is given 12 cm. So AM will be how much? 6 cm. Very good. So OM is given how much, student? 8 cm. Now we will take in right angle triangle OAM. Square of OA equal to square of OM plus square of AM by Pythagoras theorem. Substitute the value. Here OM value is given 8, AM is given 6. So square of 8 is 64 and square of 6 is 36. So addition of 64 and 36 is how much? 100. And 100 is the square of which number? 10. So square root of 100 is 10. So here we get the value of OA is 10 cm. But OA is what? Radius. So radius is our 10 cm. Here we have to find diameter. And diameter is 2 times of radius. So 2 multiplied by 10 is how much? 20. So diameter of the circle is 20 centimeter. Children, now let's start the question number 2. Diameter of a circle is given 26 centimeter. The length of the chord of a circle is given 24 centimeter. Find the distance of the chord from the center. So here diameter is given 26 centimeter and chord AB is given 24 centimeter. Let the given information. Here we have to find the distance between chord and center. It means like OM we have to find. Solution. Perpendicular bisector drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisect the chord. This is our theorem property. So AM is the half of AB. Substitute the value of AB is 24. 2 1 is 2, 2 12 is 24. So AM is how much, student? 12 centimeter. So diameter is given 26 centimeter. Radius is the half of diameter. Substitute the value of diameter is 26. So 2 1 is 2, 2 13 is 26. So our radius is how much? 13 centimeter, that is AO. So AO is how much? 13 centimeter. Here we have the value of AM 12 centimeter and AO is 13 centimeter. Now we have to find the value of OM. So in right angle triangle OMA by Pythagoras theorem, square of AO equal to square of OM plus square of AM. Substitute the value. OA we got 13, AM we got 12. Square of 13 is 169, square of 12 is 144. Now 144 will go to the left side, become minus. So square of OM equal to 169 minus 144, here we get 25. Square root of 25 is how much? 5. So value of OM is 5 centimeter. The distance of the chord from the center is 5 centimeter. Question number 3. Radius of the circle is 34 centimeter and the distance of the chord from the center is 30 centimeter. Find the length of the chord. So you need to draw the figure in all the sums, students. So draw the figure with the pencil. So here we have the radius AO 34 centimeter and distance between center and chord is 30 centimeter. Here we have to find the length of the chord. So first of all we will write the given information and to find out the solution. AB is the chord of the circle with the center O. So segment OM is perpendicular to segment AB. So OA is given 34 centimeter. In the right angle triangle OMA, angle OMA is given 90 degree because OM perpendicular to the chord AB. By Pythagoras theorem, square of OA equal to square of OM plus square of AM. Substitute the value of OA 34 and OM is 30. Square of 34 is 1156. Square of 30 is 900. Now square of AM equal to 1156 minus 900. How much we get, student? 256. And square root of 256 is how much? 16 centimeter. So here we get the value of AM is 16 centimeter. Now children, AM we got 16 centimeter. Perpendicular bisector drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisect the chord. This property we know already. Therefore AM is the half of AB. Substitute the value of AM 16. 2 is given in the division, it will go to the left side, become multiply. So therefore AB equal to 16 multiplied by 2. Here we get AB equal to 32 centimeter. Therefore chord AB is 32 centimeter. Now children, question number 4 is the homework for you. Is the same like the question number 2. Do yourself. Now question number 5. In the figure, center of the two circle is O. Chord AB of of a bigger circle intersect the smaller circle in point P and Q. Show that AP is equal to BQ. Proof. O is the center of the circle, PQ is the chord of the smaller circle, and AB is the chord of bigger circle. Construction. Draw segment OM perpendicular to chord AB. Take point M on AB such that A, P, M, Q, B are collinear. So our property is perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisect the chord. In smaller circle, MP is equal to MQ, give the equation number 1. In the bigger circle, MA is equal to MB, give the equation number 2. Subtracting equation 1 from 2, MA minus MP equal to MB minus MQ. So if you see in this figure, from MA we minus MP, what is remain? AP. From MB, if we minus MQ, it remain QB. So here we get AP is equal to BQ. From APMQB are collinear. And children, question number 6 is omitted in this exercise. I hope you have understood this practice set number 6.1. So thank you for watching this video.